Hello, everybody. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Fat Cat, Pepsi, live session. Бид нэр Uri's Swashbuckling Dandies win, and this is Perfume. Take it away, boys. Know what I mean? Let's break through the screen. Keep trying to play it cool, but just bring out the truth. I wanna be with you. So what do you say? Would you stay for a while? I'm only on to the dream of you, the same perfume. Like a perfect team, but I want something more mainstream. Come maybe I can, and any of it means anything, 'cause it ends. You and I both know that I too want forever, ever again. So what do you say? Did you ever name beautiful things like you were never meant to attain? So won't you stay with me like this memory in the moonlight before we both have to go on now? So embrace me before you fade away. And we both love each other too much to break it apart. I see that you are meant for me, but I want you all for me. Wouldn't you agree? And that's all we get. This moment will never come again. That's the beauty of it. So what do you say? Won't you stay for a while? I'm holding on to the dream of us by the scent of perfume. So won't you stay with me in this memory in the moonlight before we both have to go on last? Embrace me before you fade away. Before you fade away. Before you fade away. Before you fade Sorry that by falling into someone new, you come to save me. was standing in your bedroom, where the last flame burned through. Last we spoke, you said I miss you. In love, and never done. Dream a dream, it never dies. Look how far we made it, baby. Together was the only way. Real love, it never dies. Honey, I got to waiting by the phone to call you. Honey, I want you. I know you feel it too. I guess I knew it all the same. I guess I knew it all the same. Together was the only way. Real love that never dies. Honey, I cried too, waiting by the phone to call you. Honey, I want you. I know you feel it too. And all the ways we've tried to get the feeling back, and it's never too late to make a saw you there by the barn window. Somehow I knew you'd come and save me. Honey, I cried too, waiting by the phone to call you. Honey, I want you. I know you feel it too. Feel that too. Thank you very much. You have watched Pepsi Fat Cat live session. We are Udi Swashbuckling Dandies. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Nice.